In this video, I'll show you how to publish your Emergent AI mobile app on Google Play Store. First of all, you need to open Emergent AI, go to your account, and you need to open your mobile app. Once you will open the app, on the right side, you need to copy the URL. So you just need to copy this URL. There is also an option to publish it on Google Play Store using the Emergent AI, but you need to buy the subscription. In this case, I will show you how to do it for free. For that, we need to use emergent.sh, this website. And when you go to this website, you need to paste your app URL right here and click Build Your App. Then you need to name your app, you need to write your email address, and click Start Building My App. Now you need to wait from a few seconds to a few minutes until this screen goes to the end. Then you need to scroll a little bit down and click on Download button right here. Then you need to look for Android APK AAB file, and you need to click on Build. Wait again. And finally, you can press on download button and download AAB file, which we will use to upload the app on Google Play Store. Now we need to open developers.android.com. You need to create an account if you have not created yet, but there is a one-time fee. You are paying $25, which is one-time payment. And after that, you can upload the app on Google Play Store. Once you will create the account on developersgoogle.com, then you need to click Create the Store Listing. You need to enter the description of your app. You need to upload icons and etc. Then also you need to choose the price model. It's free or paid. And finally, you need to upload and publish your app. Usually this takes from 48 hours to 7 days. They will review your app, and if it meets Google Store criteria, so they will publish your app. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.